Dear students, now we are going to discuss about octal to hexadecimal conversion and its problems.
Octal to hexadecimal conversion. So it is the simple conversion where we can convert octal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. So here we are going to use two steps. The first step, we are going to convert the given octal number to its binary equivalent. Each octal digit can be represented as a group of 3 bits. After converting the binary equivalent, we can convert the binary number to its hexadecimal equivalent, because we know that hexadecimal can be represented as a group of 4 bits. So the relation between octal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, so this is very important. Okay, so each octal digit can be represented as a group of 3 binary bits. So the position value of the binary bit is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. It is going on. Correct. So here we can take 0 can be represented as 0, 0, 0 in binary. 1 can be represented as 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, 5, 1, 0, 1. Because 1 here, that is 4 plus 1 is 5. Correct. So that is the third bit becomes 1, first bit becomes 1 to represent 5. Next, 6 can be represented as 1, 1, 0 because 4 plus 2 is 6. So those bits are 1. 7 can be represented as 1, 1, 1. That means 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Correct. That's why we can make those bits are equal to 1. So we can represent the octal digit 7 as 1, 1, 1 in binary. Likewise, in hexadecimal, the binary values are the group of 4 bits. 0 is nothing but 0, 0, 0. 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. 2 means the same till 7. Correct. 8. Here 8 means the position values are what? Here it is 1, 2, 4, 8. So fourth bit should be 1. Okay. So here 8 can be represented as 1, 0, 0, 0. 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1 because 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 8 plus 1 means the first bit and fourth bit should be 1. A is nothing but 10 in hexadecimal. 10 means 1010. B is equal to 11. Correct. So 11 is represented as B in hexadecimal. B is equal to 1011. C, that is 12, is represented as 1100. D is equal to 13. E is equal to 14. F is equal to 15. So each hexadecimal digits can be represented as a group of 4 bits. So you should remember these two tables. Now we are going to solve the problem. The first problem is convert 726 of octal number to its equivalent hexadecimal value. So here first we are going to convert octal to binary. Okay, so here the 7 to 6 can be converted into its equivalent binary value. 7 can be represented as 1, 1, 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0. 6 can be represented as 1, 1, 0. So the respective binary conversion is given like this. The first step is over. So next we are going to convert the binary value into hexadecimal value. So what is the given number? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Correct? So now we are going to group the 4 bits. So from the right side to left side. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the first 4 bits. Next 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the next 4 bits, and here we are having only 1. So we can append 3 zeros. We can insert 3 zeros at the end. So we have converted that binary into a group of 4 bits. So each group of 4 bits represents the hexadecimal digit. So 0001 is nothing but 1. 1101. That value is nothing but 13. 1101 means 13. 0110. That means what? Yes, 6. Okay. So we know that in hexadecimal the 13 can be represented as D. Correct? So finally we can get the answer 1D6 in terms of hexadecimal. So what is the answer? The given octal number 726. This is the given octal number that can be converted into respective hexadecimal number. The next problem is to convert the given octal number 615.23 to its equivalent hexadecimal value. So what is the first step? As we know that the given octal number to binary number. Correct. So write down the octal number as such 615.23 and then convert into its binary by grouping of 3 bits. So 6 can be represented as 110, 1 can be represented as 001, 5 can be represented as 101 dot the decimal value we can keep as such. So next 2 can be represented as 010, 3 can be represented as 011. Okay. So this is the binary equivalent of given octal number. What is the second step? The second step we are going to convert the binary equivalent to hexadecimal. So what is the binary equivalent? We have to write down the value here. So 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 dot 0 1 0 0 1 1. So next we are going to group the 4 bits together. So in this point, this is the decimal point. Okay. So here we are going to take from right to left. After this decimal point, we are going to group the 4 bits from left to right. Keep it in mind. Okay. So here we are going to group the first 4 bits and next 4 bits. And here we don't have the bits. So we can insert 3 bits at the end. Okay. So these are the 4 bits. And next come to this point. We can group from this point. So these are the first 4 bits. Next we are having only 2 bits. We can insert 2 zeros at the end after the decimal point. So now we can name the hexadecimal value for the group of 4 bits. 0001 is nothing but 1. 1000 is nothing but 8. 1101 is nothing but 13 actually. That can be represented as D in hexadecimal. So here dot we can keep it as such 0100. That value is 4. 1100. 1100 means it is 12. So 12 can be represented as C. Okay. So we can obtain the equivalent hexadecimal value for the given octal number, that is 615.23. This is the octal number. The respective or the equivalent hexadecimal value is 18D.4C. This is the equivalent hexadecimal value.